Let's go ahead and check this real quick. So I'm going to take the 3 halves and plug it in up here. In fact, I'm just going to check one of them since they're both the same, but one's negative. So if I were to say 4 times 3 halves squared minus 9. So let's see if this is true. So 3 halves squared, so it's going to be 3 times 3 is 9. And 2 squared is 4 times 4 minus 9. And so as you can see that our 4's here cancel out, and we're just going to be left with a 9, and 9 minus 9 is 0, so this side here is equal to 0. So that works out. Now if we tried the negative, and a negative squared is positive, so we just end up with the same thing, as the same as using 3 halves. Alright, let's look at 8x squared plus 19x plus 6 and equal to 0, and we're trying to find the solutions to this equation. Alright, let's look at the factors of 8. Well, 1 goes into 8, right? And 1 times 8 is 8, and 2 times 4 is also 8, so we could use 2 or 4, and I believe that's it. If we were to look at the 6 here, that'd be 1 times 6 and 2 times 3. So let's just get lucky here and use 1 and 8. How's that? But I'm not going to write a 1 here, so just write an x. And I said 8. Okay, let's see, so we're going to get hopefully lucky with that, and let's see, let's use the 2 and the 3. Let's see, 2 times 3 is 6, we need a positive 6 though, so that means that they're either both negative or they're both positive. Let's see, x times 3 is 3x, and we forgot to put an x right here. Okay, 3x and 16x, 16 and 3 is 19, so it looks like a plus. Alright, and of course this is equal to 0. Now we set each one of these equal to 0, 8x plus 3, and we solve for x. Well, negative 2 is a solution, negative 2 plus 2 is 0. And then in this particular case, negative 3/8 is going to be a solution to this equation. You might want to look in the section on solving linear equations if you don't know how to do this. Alright, and okay, I'll let you check that out. Take a negative 2, plugging it in, and this side should equal 0, and if you plug negative 3/8 in, this side had better be equal to 0 also. Alright, let's see here. We have 12x squared minus 31x plus 9 is equal to 0. So we're going to look at this to see 1 and 12. We could use that. 2 and 6, we can use that. And 3 and 4. Okay, and 9, we say we can use 1 and 9 or 3 and 3. So I'm going to use a 3x and a 4x. I'm going to use the 3 and the 4. And then for these two numbers here, I think I'll use the 1 and a 9. Okay. Now I have to determine my signs here.